Everyone hates bugs in the home, but now there's an ingenious solution. My Critter Catcher, the fast, easy, eco-friendly way to deal with household pests. My Critter Catcher works on any kind of insect: spiders, crickets, stink bugs, wasps, even roaches. My Critter Catcher lets you safely grab those bugs without any fear and release them harmlessly outside where they belong. The secret are these specially designed bristles that grab onto bugs and don't let go till you pull the trigger. It's fast, easy, and eco-friendly.
Here at GoSun, we believe the sun is capable of powering our lives, so we create solar-powered devices to fuel the world. Today, we're excited to release the GoSun Go, a solar stove that roasts a meal in minutes, can be taken anywhere, works any day, yet remains cool to touch no matter how hot. Just like it's named, the GoSun Go comes in a bomb-proof package, ready for outdoor adventure or relaxing at home with friends. If you're craving a hot drink or need to sterilize water, flip the adjustable stand and use it vertically to boil. 14 ounces are ready in as little as 30 minutes. The secret to our breakthrough technology is the solar vacuum tube, which acts as a perfect insulator, trapping your food's moisture and flavor. Cooking made us human, and it continues to bring us together. It's an international language and an art.
As a kid, I was encouraged to explore and pretty much do whatever I wanted, and I was really attracted to cooking because of the creative process involved. It's like my creative outlet even to this day. And I love gathering friends and family together and serving up a hot plate of food. I'm Patrick Sherwin, and I'm a solar energy guy. I've been working with renewable energy for a long time, and I came up with GoSun 5 years ago, and we were chasing a big dream, trying to fit fuel-free cooking into the bellies of people around the world. It's clean, easy, and healthy. And for some people, this may be the only alternative where they're not burning something for dinner tonight.
Most people think that solar is too expensive or that it doesn't work. So GoSun has made an affordable solution that's 4 times more efficient than solar panels and works its magic whenever needed. Packed with power and free from batteries, the GoSun Go is something you can take anywhere to cook up a hot meal or drink with no effort. No gas, no fire, no safety hazard, and no mess to clean up.
The GoSun Go is like a ticket to an adventure with no strings attached. There's no fuel to burn, there's no mess to clean up. It's in this tiny little case that you can take anywhere. You can cook just about anything, through the clouds, through the freezing cold, all just with the power of the sunlight. And what more could you want?
When it comes to outdoor cooking, we're just getting better at burning and smoking meat. That's the same thing we've been doing for 350,000 years. GoSun invites you to join the 21st century solar revolution. We want you to experience the magic of the sun and share its goodness.
Hey everybody, I'm Flip, the first conversicle of its kind. I'm an electric city bike and a cargo bike at the same time. I combine the best of both worlds. In normal use, you can ride me as comfortably as a common bike and I take up the same space. And Flip, I spontaneously turn into a cargo bike. Isn't that cool? Picking up parcels, sombrero, spontaneous shopping, photo equipment, cute babies, no problem at all. You're having a barbecue with friends and you're running out of drinks, 1/2 soft drinks, 1/2 beers, don't mix them. Cheers. I got a split. Beep, 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 beep. Oh. The usual bike rack is made for normal bikes. A common cargo bike is too long and too wide for it. And flip. But let's have a look at the details. This guy is David, the inventor of the Conversicle. During the last couple of years, he has worked a lot on the topic of mobility, studying industry design. One of the biggest problems, there are too many cars. An environmentally friendly answer is the cargo bike. However, those common cargo bikes aren't easy to handle in everyday life. But I, on the other hand, am compact and can spontaneously unfold, as you've already seen. Another advantage is that I have only 2 wheels. Now, when you're riding a bike, you steer by tilting rather than using the handlebar. Now, if I had 3 wheels, I'd have to take much bigger turns. Unfolding is possible for me because I do not have 1, but 2 chains. The rear one unfolds together with the rear wheel. Really clever, don't you think? Did I actually mention that I have a removable battery? Today, David is working together with a whole team of engineers and bicycle professionals to get me in production. And this is where you come in. We need your support for achieving this goal. You want to do something for your health, for the environment, or a simpler everyday life? Then support the Conversicle so we can soon flip out together. Hop on, David, and let's take a ride. Roll credits. Sorry. Got this one. Hey! Ow! Sorry. Hey, give me the ball!
Ironing sucks. Some things are outdated for good reason. Washboards disappeared a century ago. Brick phones belong in a museum. Heating water over a fire takes forever. So why are we still happy with ironing? Meet Effie. Effie is a new device that dries and irons your clothes in minutes. Just hang up your clothes, press start, and let it work its magic. It dries and irons your clothes using a pressing system, leaving them creaseless and ready to wear. The hangers adjust to fit all sizes, from your kids' school uniforms to dad's extra large shirts. Effie can be loaded up with up to 12 different items of clothing at once and irons each in under 3 minutes. Fill the tank with water and add a scent if you'd like. Then slide the tank into Effie. You can also add your loose socks and underwear to be dried. Keep track of it on your phone from anywhere. And come back when it's done and roll it away. So let's stop wasting our time ironing and leave things that belong in the past in the past.